Do you feel that your mouth still feels sticky no matter how much water you drink? We will teach the benefits of essential oils for dry mouth. Are you tired of feeling all dry in your mouth? Well, it's a good thing that you have come across this video. According to recent studies, there are some essential oils that have a strong detoxifying and cleansing characteristics which will improve your dry mouth. These oils also have purifying qualities that help maintain overall oral hygiene. Let's get to know each of these essential oils and how to prepare them for use in this video. Causes of dry mouth. Dry mouth or xerostomia happens when the salivary glands don't produce enough saliva, causing the mouth to be unusually dry. Saliva is essential in digestion as it contains enzymes that begin the chemical breakdown of food. It also prevents infection in the mouth by reducing bacterial growth, tooth decay, and gum diseases. If left untreated, dry mouth can cause more serious issues like teeth and gum problems, difficulty swallowing, chewing, or speaking, and digestive disorders as well. It is usually caused by a lot of factors which include medication. There are around 400 medications that can cause dryness in your mouth, which include over-the-counter medications for common cold and allergies. Diseases and infection. Diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, stroke, mumps, and Alzheimer's disease can also cause dry mouth. Chemotherapy. Drugs used for chemotherapy are so strong that it may affect the production of saliva in the mouth either temporarily or permanently. Smoking. Cigarette smoking or chewing of the cigarette can also dry the mouth. Dehydration, fever, diarrhea, burns, vomiting, sweating, and intense exercise can also cause dryness of the mouth. Injury or surgery, damage or total removal of the salivary gland can result in dry mouth. Symptoms of dry mouth. Here are some of the telltale signs that you are having a dry mouth. Sticky and stringy saliva. Dryness or feeling sticky in your mouth. Dry or sore throat. Change in taste. Dry tongue. Difficulty in chewing. Bad breath. Difficulty in swallowing and talking. Lipstick sticking to teeth. Mouth sores. Tooth decay. Gum disease. Dry or cracked lips. Essential oils to treat dry mouth. There are essential oils that can stimulate saliva production, thus relieving your dry mouth. In instances where the dry mouth has already caused a gum disease, tooth decay, or other problems, the essential oil can be your best shot to help clear the bacteria causing these problems. The following are the essential oils for dry mouth. 1. Cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil is derived from the bark of an evergreen tree. This oil is very potent and has a strong, spicy lifting smell. This oil possesses anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidants, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. This essential oil also decreases oral inflammation and fight fungal and parasitic infections. This is a perfect choice for sore throats caused by dry mouth. How to use. Combine 2 drops of cinnamon oil with hot water, honey, and lemon juice. It is advisable to drink it in the morning to improve your sore throat as it will reduce the pain. Drinking this preparation can also boost immune function as well. 2. Grapeseed oil. This oil is derived by hard pressing the seeds of grapefruits. This oil has vitamins and minerals that are not that greasy and give proper hydration. Plus, it also has moisturizing properties that are great at preventing or clearing dry mouth symptoms. Grapeseed oil also contains vitamin C and E and other powerful antioxidants that can help repair dead skin cells like cracked lips. How to use. Rub a small amount of grapeseed oil over your tongue and the insides of your mouth. Make sure to apply the oil in your gums as well. 3. Tea tree oil. This essential oil is well known for its ability to treat wounds and antiseptic properties as well. Because of its antiseptic properties and ability to soothe inflamed skin, this essential oil is commonly found in mouthwash solutions and toothpaste. Tea tree oil also gets rid of bad breath and reduces tooth decay. How to use. Simply combine a few drops of this oil with baking soda and coconut oil. Use this as a homemade toothpaste. However, make sure that you do not swallow this as it can cause adverse effects. 4. Peppermint oil. Peppermint has been widely used in oral health products not only because of its mint taste but also because of its ability to cure oral health problems. The menthol taste of peppermint has a very refreshing taste. It also makes a good addition to your homemade toothpaste. How to use. Combine baking soda, water, and peppermint oil. Mix it properly and gargle inside your mouth for a minute. Then, rinse it with water afterward. 5. Clove oil. Clove oil has eugenol, which has been used for centuries to anesthetize patients with toothache problems. This ingredient has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Clove oil is good not only for fighting cavities and reducing toothaches, but also for removing bad breath. We all know a while ago that bad breath is one of the common symptoms of dry mouth. This is because when you have dry mouth, plaque, food particles, and bacteria can foster in your mouth, which causes bad breath. How to use. Apply 2 drops of clove oil, tea tree oil to coconut oil. Use this preparation to rub inside your gum area and massage it in a circular motion. You can also use it when you brush in the morning. 6. Spearmint oil. This oil has an aromatic and fresh scent. This is usually on the pale yellow side. This works similarly with peppermint oil. Both these oils have strong antiseptic properties for faster wound healing and killing off germs. Spearmint oil is also known to help relieve sore throats and toothaches. It reduces swelling like peppermint oil but does not contain as much menthol as the latter. Spearmint oil has loads of antioxidants, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, which is essential for oral health hygiene. How to use. Add 2 drops of spearmint oil to treat sore throat, common cold, and dry mouth. There are also spearmint gums and candies available in the market that can help relieve the symptoms of dry mouth. Conclusion. These are some of the essential oils to take note of, especially when you experience symptoms of dry mouth. What's good about essential oils is that they are safe to use as they are naturally prepared. However, if your symptoms persist, it is best to consult a dentist to help you deal with your problem. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.